Pero malaking bagay din yung pagkawala ni Roger Yap dito.
Oo.
Pero of course, kung nandyan si Roger Yap, hindi siguro gagawa ng ganang karami si Merlay.
Pabalik pa. Yung pangalawang free throw ni James Yap. So 75-72. Usually, pag this kind of scoring, medyo mababa ito. Nandito na tayo sa fourth quarter. This favors Alaska Aces.
Kaya nga.
Remember that 70
Eto, Guelo.
Ito na. James Yap, laban kay Miller. Di maitira. Chico Lanete muna. Ahiyang. Sa labas, bibira. Si James Yap. PM press.
Dapat siguro ni Willie Guerrero. Dapat pinatira ko lang sa loob eh.
20 points para kay James Yap.
Sablan naman tayo dito. This is only the third setback in the ball game.
Miller. Right now to Mike Cortez. Miller has 13 points in this ball game. The running jumper off the glass.
Basta pa kayo sa rookie. Itong si Chico Lanete. MVP ako, rookie ka eh.
15 na. So, tuloy talaga yung personal battle between the two MVPs, ha? Willie Miller and James Yap.
Umabot ng ano yan eh. Ng 24 rin yan.
Kirby Raimundo guarded by Reynel Lugnatan. Kirby na double team hooks sa basket side to Mark Pingree. There's contact. J.R. Quinahan. Kanina, binlangan ka niya si Kirby Raimundo. He tried again for Mark Pingree. He will pick up his first personal foul.
Up against J.R. Quinahan. White body rin to
Kaya
eh.
nga.
4 points, 11 boards para dito kay Mark Pingree.
First trip to the line. Dito sa ating ball game.
Sanitos re-enters the ball game para kay J.R. Quinahan.
Sanitos has 6 points. This is contribution dito sa ball game na ito. Wants to pick up on his numbers. Pingree making it 2 for 2. 6 na puntos para kay Mark Pingree. Puro palakol sa ating scoreboard. 77 all. Ang ating pang-apat na deadlock. Miller on the drive. Drops a pass to
No one.
sa kalaban. Chico Lanete. Pingree.
There was situation. Alam ni Chico Lanete kung ano yung ibibigay. I will not challenge Mike Cortez. Bakit?
And back on top of Buford's TJ Giants right now. Well, James Yap, 2 seasons ago, MVP. Pang MVP pa rin ang mga numero nito. He's got 20. At parang ngayon, lamang sila ng dalawa rito, 79-77. Well, ano sinasabi namin sa inyo? Dito na tayo nagsimula. Battle of the Heavy Guts. Hindi pa ito natatapos. Nakita natin yung James Yap, 20 points. Willie Miller has 15 points. Dadagdagan. Willie Miller with a DM press.
18 puntos na para kay Willie Miller. Just like that, coming off a timeout, lamang ulit ang Alaska Aces.
80-79. Inside 5 minutes ang ating ball game. Who would have thought? Down by 19 ang Alaska. Ilang beses nagwala si Coach Tim Cone. Wala naman yung tira na yun ni James Yap. Alaska leading by 1. Miller, humihit, wala yung bola. Look at this matchup, Miller and James Yap.
Hindi talagang classic na matchup eh. Taktong-takto.
Sonny Toss. Mike Cortez sumursunada from the outside.
Bounce, 11 points para kay Fulcat.
4 ang lamang ng Alaska. Tying their biggest lead in this ball game. It could be traveling.
Hindi? Ano ba?
It's a foul.
Ba nakita mo si Coach Steve? Okay. Nakita niya.
Yeah. Si Sonny Toss ang tinawagan. His first. Tatlo na ang team foul ng Alaska Aces. Chico Lanete. No, Roger Yap. Injured Roger Yap. Nasa bench lamang. Kirby. 3 seconds of their shot clock. Kirby, wala. Bola, bumalik pa rin sa Pure Foods. Now it's James Yap. And here. Willie Miller acknowledges it. Third.
Well, a while back, itong si Mark Fingris made 2 free throws. Sige natin kung madugtikan niya. 8 points and 11 rebounds in the ball game. Kung Mark Fingris. Malakas yun, pero sumakot. Pero swerte rin. Parang hindi rin yung Mike Postasyon eh.
Hindi pa ubos.
Ubos.
And look who's back, si Brandon Gablay and Jeffrey Carriazo. Na very consistent din para rito sa panig ng Alaska Aces. Never lost his cool, Barry.
Hanggang dulo yun ang hindi pumasok na Kerber. Mundo, gets the rebound. It's blocked.
John Ferrios at bola sa Pure Foods. 3:40 left in this ball game. Fingris over John Ferrios. He overshoots.
What was that?
Benadukol will pick up foul number 3.
That's his third foul, 5 on the PJ Giants.
A 3-point lead para sa Alaska Aces. Bumalik pa sa bola. Miller has 18 points in this ball game. His counterpart, James Schaap, has 20. Miller. Di makawala kay James Schaap. They go to Mike Cortez. Inside, it's John Ferrios. Nice turn! Hindi lang nga pumasok, but they get the ball back. Another chance here. Tapos! So Ferrios.
Yes, sayang. Provided the lead of Alaska to fight.
Na-excite. May 3 minuto pa tayo rito. Kirby, lets it fly. Wala. Bumalik sa kanya ang bola. Tilabit. Tira.
15 points in the ball game for Kerber Mundo. Meron pa siyang
Double performance.
again, as expected.
Yes. John Ferrios! Basket! Mahirap yata kay Ferrios pag walang contact.
Oo.
Kailangan may
Ang ganda naman ito eh. Dahil dito tinuunan niya si Mark Fingris, nakuha niya yung bola. Wala na eh. Protektado na ng katawan niya yung bola eh.
Pero ang bilib ko rin yung Mike Cortez seeing John Ferrios underneath.
Yeah.
Diba? This time, para sinabi ni Mike Cortez, huwag ka na magkakamali.
Dalawang beses na nagpintis kanina.
With this, the Sonny Toss keeps it alive para sa Alaska Aces. What has happened here to the offensive rebounds?
Wala na eh. Nawala na yung offensive rebound. So yung rebounds ng Pure Foods.
Oo. Yung rebounds, yes, of Pure Foods. Miller on the drive.
Kita mo na naman yun. Pero nasa pa ni Mike Fingris.
Well, hindi rin basta-basta binitiwan kasi ni Sonny Toss yung bola eh. Umangat itong dalawang pa dito si Mark Fingris. He was going for the pass.
Box out ang kailangan ng Pure Foods dito eh.
Miller against James Schaap. Ito ngayon, Sonny Toss. Cortez. Napapik ang bola. 10-second shot clock here. Cortez! Familiar move, changing hands in midair. He will go to the line for 2 free throws.
That's his third foul.
Third foul ni Kerber Mundo yan. James started to sour up para sa balik ng Pure Foods. In danger of absorbing its second straight setback.
And right after this ball game, meron tayong big news with Cherry Mercado. Kabayanan po yan. And then right after that, of course, Santa Lucia Realtor Dragons.
Maganda yan. Coming off big wins ang dalawang teams na
Exactly.
yan. Nearly a double-double for Mike Cortez. 11 points and 9 assists.
Isa lamang na naipasok ni Mike Cortez.
What
Wait
is
a
it?
minute. Sanitos. Romelo Ducol.
Okay lang.
Sabi nga natin, all of a sudden, nakala natin blowout na ito.
Hindi.
Pero nag-exciting eh, no?
Battle of the heavy guts nga.
Kaya
Kailangan
nga eh.
tigitan.
Game producer po namin dito si Barry Pascual. Pinag-isipan niya talaga yung
Ganun ba?
Battle of Heavy Guts. 32nd timeout lamang itinawag rito. 2:08 remaining dito sa ball game. Makakapagsabi. So sino nga ba mananalo rito?
Tapos pinagpagpa ni Coach Tim ko yung whiteboard niya.
Tama yun.